Previously, we touched on the topic of animal photography. In this episode, we're going to share with you some more photos in this area. The greatest blessing in shooting animals is good natural light. But the prerequisite is you will have to find your subject first. If you have your own pet, there's no need to go search for animal subjects. While we went looking for ours, we got to this special place that was filled with animals. To shoot big animals like these, you definitely need a telephoto lens. But for small animals, you should get close if possible. It's lucky when you find a tired cat that lies before you. What you should do is shoot as many as you can. This is a weird photo, sort of disoriented in nature. But I just want to show you how cooperative this cat is. And she is such a natural in front of the camera. It goes without saying that our entire attention was centered on her. She even poses for us in an intriguing way. In fact, only unwanted cats are afraid of humans. Pampered cats love humans and cameras. And they love to make poses indeed. He's also a natural, can't you see? Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the episode on shooting animals. Subscribe and leave your comments. Bye!